Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock and unlock cells in a Excel worksheet. So as you can see, some time back I was the chief accountant in this company, delivery transport company, and I used to share my worksheet to my account assistant. So what I wanted my account assistant to do is fill in the yellow cells only. So these are one of my worksheet that I used to send to my accountant and to update it. So I just wanted him to fill these cells only. Those cells are the only one that I wanted him to fill only. So what I'm going to show you is how you can now protect the other cells apart from these yellow cells, and to make sure that the other person cannot modify them or change your data. So only these cells will be changed or modified. So I'll first of all show you how you can protect this whole worksheet. What you are going to do, you just click here on review, then click here on protect sheet, then you can enter password. Let me enter one, then click here on OK, then confirm the password again, then you click OK. So here, as you can see, if I try to type anything, it is protected. I cannot type anything in this worksheet. I cannot modify anything. You see, even the error ones, anything, I cannot type anything here. You see, so that's how you can protect the whole worksheet. But now, how can you protect, or how can you protect some of the cells and the others? You unlock them. So first, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can do that, but the second way is the one that I'm going to use. So what you can do, you just click here. The first way, you click here on review, then click here on allow users to edit ranges. So here you can now choose, you click new and then choose on the ledger of sales that you want to unlock. But I'm not going to use that method, so let me use the second way. So the second way, you just right click your mouse, then you click on format cells. As you can see here on this tab of protection, we have locked and hidden. So what it means when this locked is checked, it means that by default all these cells here are locked. All these cells are locked. So I'm going to unlock some of the cells. So let me give you an example of what I'm going to do. So if I want to unlock these cells, what I'm going to do is just highlight some of them. Can highlight these cells there, select them, then click on control to select others also. Maybe I can also select that cell, maybe up to there. I can also select here. Let me select here, maybe up to there. So these cells that I have highlighted or I have selected, I want to unlock them when I protect my worksheet. So what I'm going to do, I just right click, come again here on format cells. So this time uncheck this locked, click there, then click on OK. But since I have not clicked on protect sheet, if I try to type anything here, it will type. As you can see, I can modify anything here, as you can see. But with a click of button here, just click on protect sheet, then you can enter your password, but in this case I'm not going to enter any. Just click OK. So if I try to type anything here apart from the cells that I selected, it will not work. Maybe I can type 9. As you can see, is not typing anything. I cannot modify anything there. Maybe even here, you see. So here where the cells I selected, here I can modify them. Let me show you. I type anything here, you see, you can modify them. I put 9, you can modify them. And also note that the yellow cells that I did not protect, like here I never protected here, so here I cannot be able to modify. Let me type anything, you see, you cannot do that. So that's how you can protect the cells manually. You select them manually, but let's assume you want to protect all the yellow cells that you want your accountant to modify them or enter data in. So let me first of all, I'm going to show you that. You can do manually, but I'm not going to do that manually. So just click here and to unprotect them. So what you're going to do, click on Control A, shortcut Control A, not Control A, Control F. So here, this command is used to find something or replace something. But in my case, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to click here on Format, then click here on Format drop-down menu, then click on Format again, then click on this tab, Fill. So here on Fill, I'm going to choose the color, the yellow color that I want to unlock the cells. So I'm going to choose this yellow, then I click on OK. Then I click on Find All. Then from there, just follow me. Then you click on Control A to select all, Control A, all, Command Control A. So then you close here. So as you can see, I have selected the yellow cells. So I want these yellow cells to unlock them. So what I'm going to do again is right click, then come here on Format Cells. Then this time click on Protection here. So I'm going to unlock this or uncheck this. So you click there, you uncheck, then you click OK again. So then you come here on Protect, the View tab, then Protect Sheet. Then here you can enter password, but I'm not going to enter any password. Just click on OK to protect it. So here now you cannot put anything here unless it is on the yellow cell. Let me try in this. Maybe I can put maybe 5. You see it is protected. If I come here on yellow cell I put, you can modify that. You see you can modify it. Let me put here also. You see you can modify. So that's how you can log the cells in Excel worksheet. So my question to you is, going forward, will you be sharing your Excel worksheet without protecting your data? So let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, if you learned something in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel to never miss on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.